Ken, gusto mong kanta? Tutulugin kita. This title is Dust in the Wind by Kansas. I close my eyes only for a moment, that moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes, a curiosity. Dust in the wind, all they are is dust in the wind. Same old song, just a drop of water in an endless sea. All we do crumbles to the ground, do we refuse to see. Dust in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. Tupe, nagre-record ko si Ken. Tingnan mo yung YouTube niya, ay tingnan mo sa Friendster niya, yung Friendster niya. Meron siyang video doon. Sige, yug Ken, yug. Ken, harap mo dito tupe, si Ken. Ken, harap dito Ken. Harap sa camera. Ayan si tita. Harap ko sa camera, naantok na yata. Hi Ken, good evening. Don't hang on, nothing lasts forever but the earth and sky. It slips away, all your money won't another minute buy. Dust in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. Dust in the wind, everything is dust in the wind. Tayo Ken, tayo. Dust in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. Hopya, hopya, hopya. Hopya, 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 hopya. Sige, hopya, hopya. One. Close, open, close, open. Close, open. Matutulog na ikaw, Ken. Aga pang gumising ng tatay para abutan kita. Ano? Sige, yugyog. Aso na labo. Kanta rin ko, Ken. Dali, kanta rin ikaw. Para naman pala ka. Hop, talon. Ay, pagod na. Close, open. Dali, close, open muna. Close, open. Hoop! Nalapit ko sa laptop. Close, open muna. Dali, close, open. Wala, antok na. Antok na.